Hello students, today we are going to revise for the September monthly test. First of all, portions after 20 years, the queen of boxing. Then pattern, total 35 marks, synonyms 5 marks, antonyms 5 marks, abbreviations 5 marks, short answer 10 marks, paragraph 10 marks. First we will see the glossaries. From the prose, the queen of boxing. First word is princely. What is princely? Very large. Princely means very large. Next one is jet lag. What is jet lag? A tired and unpleasant feeling a person experiences following a long flight through different time zones. So what is jet lag? A tired and unpleasant feeling. Next one is appetite. 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 Appetite means hunger. Appetite means hunger. The next word is lauded. 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 Lauded means appreciated. Lauded, appreciated. The next word is conviction. Conviction. Conviction means firm faith or belief. Conviction means firm faith or belief. The next word is sate. Sate means satisfy. Sate. S-A-T-E. Sate means satisfy. S-A-T-I-S-F-Y. Satisfy. The next word is palate. P-A-L-A-T-E. Palate. Palate means sense of taste. Palate means sense of taste. So the Manipur government organized a felicitation. Felicitation means congratulatory address. Felicitation means what? Congratulatory address. Next one is adulation. Adulation. You have to pronounce that word as adulation. A-D-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. As adulation. Adulation means appreciation. A-P-P-R-E-C-I-A-T-I-O-N. Appreciation. Next one is etched. E-T-C-H-E-D. Etched. Etched means imprinted. I-M-P-R-I-N-T-E-D. Imprinted. Imprinted. Etched means imprinted. All those memories etched in her memory. Etched means imprinted in her memory. Hall. Hall means taking a collection. After the marriage, the medal hall continued. Hall means what? Taking a collection. The next one is speculation. S-P-E-C-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. Speculation. Speculation means guess. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Okay. So now we'll see the additional exercises. So you have to study this exercise in order to attend the synonyms. Okay. Okay. Shall we start? Choose the correct synonym for each of the following from the options given. First word, with this princely sum and a little more than that had been collected from people, I left for the US. Princely. What is meant by princely? What is the synonym for princely? Large. Princely means large. Next one. The greatest disadvantage for me was my loss of appetite. What is meant by appetite? Hunger. Appetite means what? Hunger. The next word. But the coaches were kind. They consoled me and lauded me on the silver win. Consoled me and lauded me. What is the meaning of lauded? Appreciated. Lauded, appreciated. Next one. But the biggest thing I took this championship was the conviction that I could take on any boxer. What is meant by conviction? A. Belief. Conviction means belief. Fifth one. I ate enough to sate my appetite and my palate. Sate. Sate means satisfy. C. Sate means what? Satisfy. Sixth one. Thanksgiving prayers were said and words of praise and adulation were showered on me. Adulation. What is meant by adulation? A. Appreciation. Adulation, appreciation. Next one. Seventh. The fight and all that followed are clearly etched in my memory. Etched. Etched means what? Imprinted. Etched, imprinted. Eighth one. It put an end to speculation among my family and friends around that particular topic. Speculation. Speculation. What is speculation? Guess. Assumption. A. Assumption. My medal haul continued after my marriage. Haul. What is meant by haul? B. Collection. 10th one. I was selected in the 48 kg category for the International Boxing Association. I was selected in the 48 kg category. What is meant by category? Group. B. Group. 11th one. I was both upset and worried because I had heard of how expensive things were in America. What is meant by expensive? Meaning of expensive is costly. D. Costly. With this princely sum and a little more than that had been collected from people, I left for the US. What is meant by sum? What is the meaning of sum? Money. Sum means money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. 13th one. We were confined to the sporting arena or sports arena. What is meant by confined? Confined means we were confined to the sports arena. Confined means restricted, limited or restricted. Confined, restricted. My fear of facing new opponents quickly vanished. Vanished meaning disappeared. Vanished, disappeared. Last one. I was accustomed to the food there. Accustomed. What is meant by accustomed? Familiar. I was not accustomed to the food there. I was not familiar to the food there. Accustomed means familiar. Okay. So these are the synonyms. Next, we are going to see the antonyms, opposites. Choose the most accurate of the four given words which is opposite to the usage of the underlined word in the following sentences. The first one, International Boxing Association. Originally, the association internationally they boxe amateur or IBA. What is the opposite of amateur? What is the opposite of amateur? Opposite of amateur is professional. Opposite of amateur is professional. Amateur, opposite, professional. We were confined to the sports arena. So this word we have already seen in the synonyms. Confined means restricted. What is the opposite of confined? Opposite of restricted. Opposite of limited. What is the opposite of confined? Open. Opposite of confined is open. The next one. My fear of facing new opponents quickly vanished. Vanished means? Vanished meaning disappeared. So what is the opposite of vanished? Appeared. Opposite of vanished is appeared. But the coaches were kind. They consoled me and lauded me on the silver win. Lauded, appreciated. What is the meaning of lauded? Appreciated. Then what is the antonym for lauded? Blamed. Antonym for lauded is blamed. Fifth one. Words of praise and adulation were showered on me. Adulation. Adulation means appreciation. What is the opposite of appreciation? Criticism. D. Criticism. Do you understand? What is the opposite of adulation? Criticism. Sixth one. The fight and all that followed are clearly etched in my memory. Etched means what? Imprinted. So what is that? So everything was etched in her memory. So opposite of that is forgotten. Etched, opposite, forgotten. Okay. Seventh one. I retained the world title in the third World Women's Boxing Championship. Retained. What is the opposite of retained? Missed. Okay. Retained, missed. Next one. I was selected in the 48 kg category for the International Boxing Association. Selected. What is the opposite of selected? Rejected. C. Opposite of selected is rejected. Next one. I had heard of how expensive things were in America. Expensive meaning is costly. What is the antonym? Cheap. Expensive, antonym cheap. Last one. With this princely sum and a little more that had been collected from people, I left for the US. 10th one. Princely, which means large. What is the opposite of large? Small. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. We were the last team to arrive. Arrive. What is the opposite of arrive? Depart. Opposite of arrive is depart. The other teams had already completed their weigh-in, which is compulsory for all players. What is the opposite of compulsory? Compulsory problem. What is the opposite of that? Optional. D. Compulsory. Opposite of compulsory is optional. I was fortunate, but some of the team members were not lucky. Fortunate means lucky. Fortunate means what? Lucky. What is the opposite of fortunate? Unfortunate. Okay. Opposite of fortunate is unfortunate. While my teammates lost one by one after the other, I went on to reach the finals. Lost. Opposite of lost, won. Okay. Won. Opposite of lost is won. But the coaches were kind. They consoled me and lauded me on the silver win. What is the opposite of consoled? Agitated. Opposite of consoled is agitated. Okay. The biggest thing I took away from this championship was a conviction that I could take on any boxer. Conviction. Meaning of conviction is belief. Faith and belief. So what is the opposite of conviction? Unbelief. Okay. C. There was victory right across town. A felicitation program was held in Langol. What is meant by victory? Success. What is the opposite of victory? Defeat. Opposite of victory is defeat. Okay. The prize money from the government had put an end to my immediate financial worries. What is meant by immediate? Immediate, sudden. Okay. What is the opposite of it? Later. Immediate, later. Okay. Opposite of immediate is later. I wanted a job too. For that alone can bring long-term security and steady income. Steady income. I wanted a job too. For that alone can bring a long-term security and steady income. What is the opposite of steady? Unreliable. What is the opposite of steady? Unreliable. Okay. Not the meaning, opposite. We are studying the opposite. Keep that in mind. The Manipur government offered me the post of sub-inspector. Offer, withdrew. Opposite of offered is withdrew. Okay. Do you understand? Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Study all these antonyms in order to answer the antonyms in the test. Okay. The next one. We are moving on to the short answers. We have already studied the short answer. Next, we are moving on to the short answers. How did Mary Kom manage to get financial support for her trip to the USA? How did she manage to get? Her father collected rupees 2,000, two MPs donated rupees 5,000 and 3,000 respectively. Thus, she got financial support for her trip to the USA. Father collected how much? 2,000. Two MPs donated how much? Rupees 5,000 and 3,000 respectively. Thus, she got financial support for her trip to the USA. Next one. Why did Mary Kom think that she should not return empty-handed? She received rupees 10,000 from others to make a trip to the United States to participate in World Women's Boxing Championship. So, she thought that she should not return empty-handed after the efforts taken for her trip to the USA. So, she received 10,000. So, that 10,000 to father gave 2,000. So, two MPs donated 5,000, 3,000. So, all those people efforts were there. So, she should not return empty-handed after the efforts taken for her trip to the USA. So, next one. What was her first impression of America? America was pleasing to her eye and the people were enormously nice too. America was pleasing to her eye and the people were enormously nice too. Okay. Next one. Why did she call herself lucky? Why did she call herself lucky? Why did Mary Kom consider herself lucky? The Indian team was the last team to arrive in Pennsylvania. So, you have to study this spelling of Pennsylvania. 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 The Indian team was the last to arrive in Pennsylvania. They had to go straight to the sporting arena. She found that she did not have any match on that day. So, she was lucky to take some rest. So, after that long journey, she didn't had that any match on that day. So, she considered herself lucky. So, she was lucky to take some rest and face the opponent energetically. Okay. According to Mary Kom, what was the reason for her losing in the finals? What was the reason? She was not used to the American food. She was not used to the American food. So, she could not eat well and she lost her weight. She thought that it was a reason for her loss. Do you understand? She was not used to the American food. She could not eat well and she lost her weight. She thought that it was a reason for her loss. Next one. What made her feel confident about the competitive players? Explain. She realized that the boxers were not unbeatable. Though she lost her finals in the USA, the matches gave her confidence that she could oppose any competitive players. What difficulty did she experience while eating Chinese food? She found it difficult to use the chopsticks to eat Chinese food. So, chopsticks, two sticks. Okay, you have to handle with one hand. So, she found that difficult to use to eat the Chinese food. Last, how was she felicitated on her return to India? She was greeted with garlands, drum beats, and dancing. There was a victory ride across the town. A felicitation program was held in Langol. There was a Thanksgiving prayer and people showered words of praises on her. So, why she was felicitated? Actually, she got a silver win in the World Women's Boxing Championship that was held in Pennsylvania. So, she was greeted with garlands, drumbeats, and dancing. There was a victory ride across the town. A felicitation program was held in Langol. Langol is in Manipur. There was a Thanksgiving prayer and people showered words of praises on her. Everybody appreciated her. What did she consider her greatest achievement? Why? What did she consider her greatest achievement? Why? She retained her world title in 2006 in New Delhi, hometown, home country. This she considered her greatest achievement because she did in India in front of her own people, home crowd. Okay. She retained her world title in 2006 in New Delhi. This she considered her greatest achievement because she did it in India in front of her own people. Do you understand? So, you have to study all these short answers. There won't be any choices. I won't give you any 7 so that you can write any 5. You will be given 5. You have to write 5. Do you understand? You will be given all the 5 short answers and you have to attend all the short answers. No choices. Clear? Because this is too simple, because you have got only 2 one prose and 1 supplementary reader. That's too small for 11th standard kids. So, clear? Shall we move on to the next one? What's the next? The next one is paragraph answer. Very small paragraph answer. This is too small for 11th standard. Okay, it's okay, fine. Describe Mary Com's personal experiences during her first international. Let me enlarge this. Describe Mary Com's personal experiences during her first international championship match from time of selection to winning the medal. Title. What's the title? The Queen of Boxing. What's the title? The Queen of Boxing. Who's the author? MC Mary Kom. Author MC Mary Kom. Theme: single-minded pursuit of an Indian women boxer. Do you understand? Okay, the next one. My father managed to collect only 2,000 for my trip. So, you have to write it and you have to put it in a box. The Queen of Boxing is an extract from Mary Com's autobiography, Unbreakable. So, the autobiography of Mary Kom is Unbreakable. Here, she describes her experiences when she got selected for World Women's Boxing Championship. She describes what? Her experiences when she got selected for World Women's Boxing Championship. After her performance in Bangkok Championship, she was selected for the International Boxing Association World Women's Boxing Championship. Where? In Pennsylvania. Where? USA. When? In November, December 2001. She had financial difficulties to take up her trip to the USA. So, she had some problems. What was the problem? Financial difficulties to take up a trip to the United States of America, USA. Her father could collect only, so these are the short answers you can include. Her father could collect only rupees 2,000. She got donations from 2 MPs, 5,000 and 3,000. Thus, she went to the USA with rupees 10,000. So, here we are including a short answer. She stayed in the sports arena because she couldn't go out. She was restricted. What's the meaning? She stayed in the sports arena because it was cold and snowing outside. Since she did not have match on the first day, she could take rest. She reached the finals and thought she could win the gold, but she lost the finals to Hula Sahin of Turkey. She lost the finals to Hula Sahin of Turkey. She was not used to the food of that place, so she could not eat well and lost weight. That must have been the reason for her loss. She lost it. Quarterfinals she won. Semi-finals she won. Finals she lost. She lost to Hula Sahin of Turkey. Failures are the stepping stones to success. Life is like a boxing match. Life is like a boxing match. Defeat is declared not when you fall, but when you refuse to stand up again or stand again. Life is like what? Life is like a boxing match. But teacher is not the opponent. Remember, life is like a boxing match. Defeat is declared not when you fall, but when you refuse to stand again. Stand again. Be a boxer. Okay? So, do you understand? So, pros. Synonyms, synonym, and then what? Antonyms, short answer, paragraph. Over. Is it over? Yes, it is over. What next? So we have to study the abbreviations. What to study? Abbreviations. Where is abbreviation? I'll be sending all these materials to you. What is abbreviation? Abbreviations, acronyms. So you are aware of this abbreviation acronym. So first one is IELTS. IELTS. What is IELTS? It's just very, very important. International English Language Testing System. Right, the expanded forms of following abbreviations we commonly come across in our daily life. Sir, how will you ask this question? How this question will be asked? You will be given IELTS and you have to write, no options, no choices. You have to write IELTS as International English Language Testing System. If you make a small mistake, over, you lose mark. If you write it correctly, you will all write it correctly because you are studying this from 10th standard. You have been studying this from 10th standard. So this is so easy for you. IELTS, International English Language Testing System. What is IELTS? International English Language Testing System. Next one, GST. Wow, very simple. Goods and Service Tax. GST, Goods and Service Tax. Goods and Service Tax. TNPSC, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. So commission, COMMI, SSI, ON, Commission. Okay, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. Next one is STD, Subscribers Trunk Dialing. Subscribers apostrophe and S trunk dialing. IST, International Subscriber Dialing. IST, International Subscriber Dialing. Next one is MBA, Master of Business Administration. Master of Business Administration. So business, BUSINESS. MHRD, very, very important. MHRD, very, very important. Ministry of Human Resource Development. Ministry of Human Resource Development. Next one is GPS, Global Positioning System. GPS, Global Positioning System. NSS, National Service Scheme. National Service Scheme. PTA, Parents Teachers Association. 25 only 25. 11th one, NGO, Non-Governmental Organization. Non-governmental organization is NGO, ICU, Intensive Care Unit. IIM, Indian Institute of Management. Indian Institute of Management. MRI, Magnetic Resonance Image. ECG, Electrocardiogram. NCC, National Cadet Corps. LED, Light Emitting Diode. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. GDP, Gross Domestic Product. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. NRI, Non-Resident Indian. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. ITI, Industrial Training Institute. USB, Universal Serial Bus. USB, only 25. So you can all just study all these abbreviations in order to attend the abbreviation. So you will be given GST. What you have to do? You will be given GST, IELTS, IELTS. So you have to write International English Language Testing System. There won't be any choices. Keep that in mind. We'll move on to the supplement reader. Thank you. Next is the supplement reader paragraph. After 20 years, From this, you will be getting only one paragraph that we are going to revise. Compare and contrast the characters of Jimmy Wells and Bob with suitable references from the story to support your view. Topic. What is the topic? What is the title? After 20 years is the title. Author O. Henry. Genre G-N-R-E is genre. The short story. Theme duty versus friendship. After 20 years by O. Henry is an interesting story with a twist at the end. A 38-year-old Bob is waiting at the door of a hardware store in New York to meet his friend Jimmy Wells. So there is a man 38 years old whose name is Bob, and he is waiting at the door of a hardware store. Where? In New York. For what? To meet his friend Jimmy Wells. A policeman is on patrol duty. He asks Bob why he is standing there. A policeman asks Bob why he is standing there. Okay. Bob tells the cop that he is waiting to meet his friend Jimmy Wells. Bob, the man who is waiting there, answered the policeman that he is waiting to meet his friend. What's his friend's name? Jimmy Wells. He says that they make a promise to meet at the same place, at the same time, on the same date after 20 years before parting. Bob says the policeman that they made a promise, those two friends made a promise to meet at the same place, at the same time, on the same date after 20 years. Bob tells the policeman that he has kept his promise. Bob is sure that Jimmy Wells will surely come and meet him. After listening to the story, the cop walks away. 20 minutes later, a tall man in plain clothes comes to meet Bob. Bob thinks him Jimmy Wells. Later, Bob identifies that the man he is talking to is not his friend. Actually, the man is a police officer in plain clothes. He gives Bob a letter from Jimmy. Bob learns from the letter that the police officer whom he met earlier was Jimmy, his old friend. Since Bob is a criminal wanted by the police, Jimmy Wells does not want to arrest his intimate friend. So, he has sent another police officer to do the work. So, from this we can understand that Bob was talking to a policeman at first, okay, and after that the policeman left the place. There comes another policeman. Bob thought that the other policeman who came in the plain clothes was Jimmy Wells, but it is not. The other policeman who arrives now gave a letter from Jimmy. From that letter, Bob learns that the police officer whom he met earlier was Jimmy, his old friend. But Bob is a criminal wanted by the police officer. So, Jimmy Wells does not want to arrest his intimate friend, so he has sent another police officer to do the work. Here Bob is a criminal, but he is a true friend. He wants to fulfill his promise at any cost. On the other hand, his friend Jimmy Wells is an honest police officer. When he comes to know that his friend is a criminal, he does not want to arrest him himself. He has sent another policeman to arrest Bob. For him, duty is more important than friendship. Do you understand, students? Do you understand this story? You have already studied this story. You have to study this paragraph, and you have to write this paragraph in the test. If you have any doubts, contact me. Thank you.